Hey there, Carson. My name's Ellie. I'm one of your dad's friends. I hear that it's your birthday today, so I wanted to wish you a very, very happy birthday. And my wish for you is that may you continue to grow into a good, amazing, sweet boy, and may you continue to always be a shining example onto your family. Mazel tov and congratulations.
Happy birthday, Carson.
Happy birthday, Carson. I heard you're turning 10 today. Mom and Dad were telling me what a great soccer player you are and that you're like the fastest runner ever and that you run 5Ks. We're very, very proud of you.
We love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy 10th birthday, Carson. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Carson. Happy birthday to you.
Go Mariners!
Woo!
Happy birthday, Carson.
Happy birthday, bro.
Go Mariners. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Carson.
Carson, happy birthday. I love you. And I love playing Roblox with you and soccer. Bye. Love you, Carson. From your big sister, Chloe. Bye.
Happy birthday, Carson, from your Aunt Susan in sunny Florida. I hope you have a wonderful day. Go Mariners.
Happy birthday, Carson.
Hope you have a good 10th birthday. Happy birthday.
See you. Bye.
Hi, Carson. I hope you have a happy day as a birthday kid. And it is your 10th. I hope to see you at school tomorrow.
Happy birthday, Carson.
Happy birthday.
We can't believe you're 10. That's so exciting. We hope you have a great day.
Yay!
Happy 10th birthday, Carson. Powell and I hope you have a great day. I can't believe you're 10 already.
Happy
Day.
Happy birthday, Carson.
Hello, konnichiwa. Hi, Carson. Happy birthday. I hope you guys are doing well over there. Most importantly, happy birthday. I miss you guys. You're the best. Shout out to all my friends in Washington. I hope you guys are seeing this. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Carson. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Carson. Happy birthday to you.
Happy 10th birthday, Carson. I can't believe you're going to be double digits tomorrow. 10 years old. I bet you're looking forward to that. I can't believe you're in 4th grade. You're going to be in your last year of elementary school next year, and I hope you have a great birthday, Carson.
Happy 10th birthday, Carson. I hope you have a great birthday. Bye. Happy birthday.
Happy 10th birthday, Carson. I love you.
Happy birthday, Carson. I can't believe you're 10 years old. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you have the best year ever.